What's going on, mother truckers? How many of you actually get out and look before you back into a trailer, back into a hole, back into a parking spot? Comment down below. This is just a public announcement. I mean, this can happen to anyone, but just like the title reads, a mother trucker, a subscriber himself, can you imagine driving your whole life, being safe your whole life, and then you end up just trading, swapping trailers, and the next thing someone's under that trailer, they pass away, and now what? Your life is over, you're fired. I mean, there's so many things that's probably going through this person's head. And so I just want to let you mother truckers know, I know we're always in a rush, but before you back up that truck, I don't care if you're doing a trailer swap or not, get out and look, give a couple honks. Just check your surroundings. You never know, especially if you're owner operator. When I go to these terminals, there are so many nails on the ground. Go out, look at it, make sure everything looks okay before you back up. Because that's what happened in this situation. We had a mother trucker, he went to trailer swap out in Charlotte, North Carolina, and he drops his trailer, he goes around the building, and then he backs up and he goes and tries to connect to another trailer and leave. Well, under that trailer was a mechanic working on something under that trailer, and he crushed him. He was in a very bad shape. He went to the hospital. He ended up passing away. So, mother truckers, please, 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 when you're backing up, pay attention, get out, just look. Just one extra second. That's all it takes. But sometimes that one extra second can be the thing that ruins your life, and I just don't want that to happen to you. I'm praying for this family. I'm praying for this driver. It's a horrible situation, but mother truckers, be safe out there. When you're backing up, check your surroundings.